Helium 10 Honest Review for new sellers. What's missing? Plus, best deal right now. Honest take on Helium 10 for new sellers. Because I think the marketing sometimes oversells what the entry level actually gives you. And I'd rather you know going in. Key features often heavily restricted or not included at entry level. Keyword tracker is not included. Serious sellers often need to track hundreds or thousands of keywords. Market tracker, Helium 10 ads for PPC management, and follow-up capabilities are generally not available at the basic tier. For sure. Yes. So what is there for a new seller? The core research tools, Blackbox, Cerebro, Magnet, X-Ray, and Scribbles are available on Platinum, and they cover the full research to listing workflow. That's what you actually need to find a product and get your first listing live. The advanced stuff, PPC automation, deep competitor market tracking, multi-user access, that's diamond territory. And honestly, you don't need it to start. My honest recommendation, start with the free plan to learn the interface. Then move to Platinum when you're ready to research for real. Use my 20% off discount code in the description to make that jump cheaper. The deal link is below. And if you want to support the channel, that's genuinely the best way to do it. Have a blessed day.